What up everyone, today I'll be reviewing a pair of boots I got from Thursdays. Now this is my second pair of boots from them. My first pair were the Duke Chelsea boots, which I did a review on that you guys can check out. This time I have with me are the black matte Captain boots. I'll be going over the material, the construction, and be doing a test to show exactly how waterproof these boots are. And at the end of this video, I'll also show you guys my favorite way of styling these boots. Now let's get started. So I did get these during their Black Friday deal where they're offering a free gift with every purchase. There were 3 gift options. The first was leather cleaners, the second was a brush, and the last was a pair of socks. I decided to go with socks because I'm most likely not going to be cleaning my shoes because I'm lazy as hell. I really wish they would do $20 off the boots instead of giving a gift, but I guess they had inventory that they wanted to get rid of before the year ended. It also comes with a thank you card that I don't really care about. Now here's the moment that we are all waiting for. Let's do a quick look on how these boots look on feet. So I decided to go with this matte finish, mostly because I thought the regular black leather looked too formal. I saw reviews online and their leather looked really shiny, and I wasn't a big fan of the shininess. I like to keep things low-key, so that's why I chose these matte finish boots. First impressions, I think the boots look very attractive. They have a slim silhouette with a narrow toe box. I like the thick black Kevlar shoelaces. I think that's a nice touch. I wanted to go for that all blacked out look. As you guys can see, the eyelets are black and so is the 360 stitching on the sole. I also thought about getting their black President boots, but those came with white stitching on the sole and silver eyelets, which I wasn't a fan of. Let's take a look at the material. According to their website, the upper uses cattle hide leather. I'm not sure if that's the same as cowhide leather, but anyways, the leather feels very soft and not much rigidity on the sides like the Wolverine boots. A good thing about soft leather is that these boots will feel comfortable on your foot almost instantly, and the break-in period will be very quick or even non-existent. The downside to soft leather is that these boots will crease more easily and with less wears as well. Moving on to the construction, these boots are Goodyear welted, meaning it has 360 stitching all around. What's unique about Thursday boots is that they do their own take on the famous Day and Night soles that big brands like Allen Edmonds uses. In case you guys don't know, Day & Night is a well-known brand known for the rubber soles. Their famous studded pattern is designed so the soles does not store or attract dirt. They incorporate actual nails to help hold down the heel pads, which is a great move that helps the boot's longevity. Now Thursdays does not use Day & Night soles. I don't want to say they ripped off Day & Night's design, but they very creatively do their own twist, which is very similar to Day & Night. I'm guessing this is their way of keeping costs down. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Thursday boots incorporates a Dura EVA strip, which is very common in athletic shoes like Nikes, but unheard of in boots. In case you guys don't know, Dura EVA is made from a white foam padding on top with a thin crepe layer of pour-on padding. Pour-on padding is a type of material that when you step on it, it stays flat and conforms to the shape of your foot, and once you take off your shoes, the foam will gradually expand back to size. So when you wear these boots, it'll feel a bit more like a sneaker rather than an actual boot. Now Thursday boots claim that their boots are waterproof, but how waterproof are they exactly? Do they hold up when you step on a puddle, or are they super heavy duty and can withstand huge rainstorms? Let's find out. Hope you guys weren't turned on by that, you sick mofos. Just kidding. Anyways, the boots held up very well. The water did not seep through the Goodyear welt. I can confirm that my socks are dry. What surprised me the most is that the boots dried up very quickly. In a matter of a minute, it was already 90% dried. Overall, the water protective coating is pretty great and I give it a big thumbs up. Now here are 3 easy outfits that anybody can style with these boots. For the first outfit, I'm wearing an Obey leather varsity jacket from Urban Outfitters. This is actually my first jacket I bought myself way back in high school. I really like varsity jackets because they never go out of style. For 100 years, the look has stayed relatively the same. I'm wearing a plain white t-shirt underneath with a pair of dark blue denim. For the second outfit, this is perfect for the winter time. I'm wearing a gray hoodie layered with a black bomber jacket. Both items are from H&M. For the jeans, I paired it with a light wash denim just to give it a little bit of color. Since I am wearing black boots with the gray and black top, I didn't want this outfit to look too monochromatic. For the last outfit, you can never go wrong with an all black look. Black goes good with every skin tone, every body shape, every gender, every height. It just works with everything. I'm wearing a plain black tee and I layered that with my Shop Perfecto leather jacket. For the jeans, I'm wearing a pair of black denim from Banana Republic. This is hands down my favorite outfit in my wardrobe. And there you have it guys, 3 easy outfits you can style with black boots. So my final verdict, priced at $200, I personally think this is a fair price. I just wish the leather came a little bit stiffer so the shoe doesn't crease as easily. But with this 360 stitching, Goodyear welt, the comfort, the looks, I honestly think you can't find a boot that features everything I just mentioned at $200 or less. So I am curious on how these boots will last in the long term. This is my first pair of Dersey boots made from leather, my first pair with suede, and they're holding up pretty nicely, so I'm not too sure how the leather will hold up. So I'll definitely do a 6-month review on these to keep you guys updated. And that's it for this week's video. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.